one of our demand was for increase in margin, dealer margin, which a small rise has been already given, declared today. कितल्या वर्सान म्हाका दिसता साधारण 13 पैसे सुमार कितें तरी पेट्रोलाचेर वाडयला, 13 पैसे पेट्रोलाचेर आनी 8 काय 10 पैसे डिझलाचेर. एक्झॅक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन येवपाचें आसा पूण ना. आनी कितें जाल्लें, 2 वर्सांनी पयर 15 सप्टेंबराक तांणी रिविजन केलें. After 2 years, after 2 years, they enhanced our dealer margin in the month of September, on 15 September. But it was very inadequate. We have been demanding some different figure, and they gave us hardly an increase of 11 paise and 8 paise.
Correct.
So which now they have given almost about 13 paise and 10 paise.
Correct.
Which adequately proves that our demand was rightful demand. In a 60 rupees amount that you pay for petrol, the actual cost is just 27 rupees. The central government gets almost 24 rupees out of it. The local government gets almost about 12, because every time anything goes up, and for us to do a 24 hours work of delivery, which involves a lot of services, lot of other costs, variable costs, we are paid just 2 rupees per liter. Petrol.
Right now.
Right now.
Which they have increased it to 13 paise.
No, it will now be 2 rupees 13 paise.
Correct.